the tutorial. When you've finally chosen the product that you're interested in, you have the option of either clicking Create Design or upload a PSD or AI file. If you're not interested in using our design module, you can simply upload a file from your desktop, from Photoshop, Illustrator, or even if it's a PDF file, we can work with that. Alternatively, you can choose from our templates, but I'll show you that from inside the module. I'll click Create Design and begin. From here, we have a variety of options. Let's begin with clip art, shall we? Click the clip art button, and you'll have an option of lots of different shapes. You can scroll up and scroll down to see more. I'm going to choose from romance and choose this deformed heart shape. I can change the color, resize, rotate, anything I please really. And then I can go for others. Let's see these groups of hearts here. Now you notice one overlaps the other. We can adjust this by simply clicking these up and down arrows on any object. If I select this heart here and I click up, it brings it to the front. If I click down, it sends it behind. If I select these hearts and I click down or up, it moves them accordingly. Just click on any black part or any colored part of the object to select it. If I click here, I'll obviously be selecting the heart in the background, whereas if I click this part, I'll be selecting these foreground hearts. And from there I can pretty much place them anyhow I please. Another option you have is to select the background. I can choose a background color of any type I want. I can give it patterns in the background, horizontal lines, vertical lines, stars, circles, or I can give it a gradient like radial light, or choose a color. So I can gradient between two colors that I want. This is the first color and the second color here. I'll choose a more reddish color here. And then I'm not satisfied with how this gray turns out, so I'm going to make it more reddish. And I could also blend this with the background. This blend option will blend it with the colors in the background, screen or multiply. It slightly blends the background. The color that you select for it has an effect of how it blends. Now, we can also add text. If I type text in here and click font area around it, for example, and the color or bold, create text. If I want to edit that text, I just click in here, make sure the text is selected, and then I click in here and I type whatever I want and it edits it. You can place that where you want. You can use the up and down arrows to position it as you please, and you're set to go. And you can also adjust as you like in color after it's already been created. That's your choice. However, one of the most likely things you're going to be doing with this module is uploading pictures. So I'm going to select something from here, from my computer. I'm going to, for example, just have a picture of this aloe. Yes, I'm in love with aloes. And I'm going to set it to the far back as it can go, and probably blend this too with these blend options so it blends with the background. As you can see, you have a lot of options to choose from in this module. I can if I have this out of position, I can use these here to center horizontally, center vertically, to fit inside vertically, or fit horizontally, and it just basically adjusts the object to fit within certain boundaries of the design area that you have. Now, from here, I'm just going to click fit all, so it just shows the whole of the image. And I'm going to show you something else that you're able to do. If I'm not really interested in having these images or this text, I can just delete all the rest of them. I'm going to keep this normal color. I'm going to delete these hearts here, and I'm going to select this and keep it just keep it normal. I don't want any blending on it at all. And from here, what I'll also do is I'll go to templates. Now with templates, you can basically set a certain effect, which is a default effect that we have applied for various objects. If I select these blue cloud effect, it will create a blue cloud effect around any object or image I have in the center here. If I click this reddish cloud effect, or keep this reddish cloud effect around any object I have in the center. Now this object can be a picture of anything that you like, a picture of yourself, a loved one, or even someone, a celebrity, and we will print anything you have in here to set and send it to you. When you're done, you just click the Buy Now button and give it a name. Save, and you're redirected to the cart, and everything's complete. Well, I hope that's helped. We look forward to seeing what you come up with.